The season is changing, so is the nature transforming every day. Nature creates the most beautiful color gradients, isn't it? Inspired by this, today in this video, I will show you two methods to create the color gradient with watercolor. So let's begin. Today I will show you two methods to create color gradient. I am using here my watercolor paper and Arteza watercolor. I'll be using this flat brush. Also you can use round brush, but you have to check that your brush should hold more colors or water at a time to create the gradient. So first method I am using is wet on wet technique. For this I am just dabbing some water, plain water into the paper and creating a rectangle or round or square, whatever shape you like. I have created a square space here, and then I am using color. So you can also create your own color using palette, but I'm using direct color to showing you. So I just gave one stroke of color in the top of the block I have created with water and tilted down the paper slightly so that the color can move through the paper and create this gradient. In the next I am using the same wet on wet technique but with two color. So the first color I am using a light one, the orange that I have used earlier, and on top of it I am using color green and giving this single stroke. In the same method I am tilting the paper slightly so that the color can move through and mix with the color at orange and create this beautiful blending and the gradient. So this is the wet on wet technique. The another method you can use is wet on dry technique. So for this I will not wet my brush and create the gradient that I used earlier, but what I will do, I will create stroke with color, and after each stroke I will use water to wash my color slightly and create another stroke. So every time I am creating the stroke, and then I will remove some color, and then I will use water to um, to reduce the intensity of the color and give the another stroke. This is the second method. So in the next I am creating the wet on dry technique but with different color. So for this the base color should be dried. So I have used tissue to dry out the color pink properly. Then I am using the yellow color, and with the same method I'm giving one stroke and wash out the color and giving another stroke, and then using water and reducing the intensity of the color and stroke again. So now with this method you can create a greetings card, or you can use it as a background for any lettering or doodle or for your art journal, or just hang it as a DIY piece in your wall as a decor. So I am creating little doodle with the techniques I have shown you just. So for this I am using this piece of paper and I am attaching it with the masking tape. So for the masking tape you will create the straight line with it, and in the box in between I will create the gradient. So as I have attached it with the masking tape, now I am just dabbing water, and I will fill up the full page with water. Then I am using the same technique, but as the paper is attached I cannot tilt it, but eventually it will spread as the water is there. So I am using two gradient from both side of the paper You can use any shape of gradient you like, also like diagonal or circular motion, and just see how beautifully the colors blend together and create beautiful shapes in wet on wet technique. I mostly use the wet on wet technique for this because I really like the blending of colors. So I will give some time to dry it out properly, and I will use the next paper to do the next gradient. In the next paper I am using wet on dry technique, the second method I have shown you today. So for this I have similarly attached my paper with the masking tape to create the straight line. But my recommendation is just remove the masking tape when the color is properly dried, but I don't have that patience, so I just remove it anyway. But to get a perfect straight line you should wait to get your color dried properly. So for the wet on dry technique I'm using the color pink on the dried paper, and with every single stroke I am removing some color with water and then giving another stroke. So this is the color gradient creation with wet on dry technique. So I have creating the gradient from both sides, one from the top and one from the bottom. So you will see how it look like when the color will dry out properly. Now all my colors are dried and a gradient is created. So on top of this I will create doodle, and for this paper I am using tree doodle, and then next I will create lettering as well. So you can use whatever purpose you want. This is very good way to create DIY projects to give gifts to your loved ones, and also you can use this method in your art journal. So if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, and please subscribe my channel for more art related videos that I share every week. Thank you for your time and watching this video so far. I hope to see you again in my next video. Until next time, stay happy, stay safe, and live life creatively. Goodbye.